most perfect for air section with a soft landing. You can even do big turns at this section if you don't want to do airs. I didn't get a chance to do this, but I wanted to so badly. Closed session, the wedge. The last 30 minutes of the pro session is the wedge, which is a perfect slabby barrel. You can totally backdoor the section, however be careful because it's super shallow. Our group got lucky because we only have 4 people in the water. I didn't get to do this one, but I was told if I save my money I can do it next time.